Welcome back to my channel, the ultimate destination for all your grooming needs. In today's video, we're diving into the world of beard growth. We'll explore effective tips and methods to help you achieve that full, luscious beard you've always wanted. Plus, we'll discuss the use of minoxidil as one of the strategies to enhance beard growth. Let's get started. Understanding beard growth. Beard growth is influenced by a combination of genetic factors and hormonal changes. The beard growth cycle consists of 3 phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. During the anagen phase, hair actively grows from the follicles. Lifestyle and diet. A healthy lifestyle and diet can contribute significantly to beard growth. Proper nutrition, including vitamins and minerals, plays a crucial role. Staying hydrated and engaging in regular exercise can also promote facial hair growth. Proper beard care. Maintaining your beard is essential for optimal growth. Regular trimming and grooming help prevent split ends and keep your beard looking its best. Minoxidil for beard growth. Minoxidil, a topical over-the-counter medication, has gained popularity as a beard growth enhancer. It's believed to stimulate blood flow to hair follicles, potentially increasing beard thickness and density. How to use minoxidil for beard growth. Apply a small amount of minoxidil to the beard area once or twice a day. Use a dropper or foam applicator for precise application. Potential results and considerations. Results may vary from person to person. Consider potential side effects, such as skin irritation, and the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before use. In conclusion, achieving the beard of your dreams involves a combination of genetics, lifestyle choices, proper care, and, for some, the use of minoxidil. Remember that results can vary, and patience is key when aiming for a fuller beard. Whether you choose to try minoxidil or focus on natural methods, embrace your unique facial hair journey and stay committed to your grooming routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more grooming insights and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey to boost your beard growth, and we'll see you in the next video.